Uppongele Godavari, ఊగిందిలే చేలోవరి, గోదారిలో నీలాంబరి, మాసీమకే చీనాంబరి. If you are passionate about ragas, melody and the art of blending classical music into cinema, you are in for a treat. Today, let's dive into a musical masterpiece that bridges the world of classical and cinematic music. Uppongele Godavari song from the movie Godavari perfectly captures the flowing beauty of the river Godavari, its elegance, depth and ever-changing moods. Just like the river, the song moves effortlessly, carrying emotions of love, nostalgia and serenity. This song is a brilliant example of how Carnatic music finds its way into film compositions, enriching them with classical depth while keeping the cinematic appeal intact. It is primarily based on Carnatic ragas but is blended with a free-flowing, emotive style that makes it timeless and universally appealing. Uppongele Godavari, ఊగిందిలే చేలోవరి, గోదారిలో నీలాంబరి, మాసీమకే చీనాంబరి. This song is in Raag Saraswathi and now I'll sing the Aroh and Avaroh of this rag. Sa re ma pa da sa, sa ni dha pa ma re sa. And the notation for this song goes like this. Sa re ma pa ma re sa, sa re ma pa, sa re ma pa ma re sa, sa re ma pa. The beauty of Uppongele Godavari lies in its carefully crafted phrases that seamlessly merge classical raga-based phrases with a filmic fluid feel. What makes this song so special? The song moves like a river with elongated swaras that create a mesmerizing effect. The composition effortlessly weaves in shades of Carnatic ragas while maintaining a modern cinematic soundscape. The lyrics describing the river's beauty are mirrored in the melody's effortless glide, creating a visual musical experience. The song carries a sense of peace, longing and admiration, much like the emotions evoked when watching a river gently flow. The beauty of this blending is that while the song feels effortlessly filmy, its soul remains Carnatic. This is the true magic of film music rooted in classical tradition. It creates a musical experience that both experts and casual listeners can connect with. Just like the Godavari River, music flows across time, traditions and genre, bringing people together through its beauty. Uppongele Godavari is not just a song, it is an experience of grace, nostalgia and artistic brilliance, showing us how Carnatic music continues to inspire, evolve and find new forms of expression in cinema. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and stay tuned to Artium Carnatic for more deep dives into the world of ragas, emotions and timeless melodies. Keep practicing, keep singing.